Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hyundai Blue Link to charging reminders step by step clearly. To connect Hyundai Blue Link to charging reminders, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and powered on. Next, access the Blue Link app on your smartphone. Log into your Blue Link account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the settings menu within the app. Select notifications from the available options. Look for the charging reminders feature and tap to open it. You will see options to set reminders for charging times. Choose your preferred reminder time. You can also select how often you wish to receive these notifications. After making your selections, save your changes. Confirm that the charging reminders are enabled in your notification settings. To test the setup, schedule a charging reminder for the next charging session. Make sure your vehicle is connected to a charger. Wait for the reminder to appear as scheduled. If you receive the notification, your setup is successful. If not, revisit the settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Remember to keep your app updated for the best performance. You can now enjoy the convenience of charging reminders with Hyundai Blue Link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.